Hi friends, in this video we will discuss about the basics of inputs and outputs. What is mean by input? It is nothing but allows flexibility to take the input from the user. Reads a line of a input as a string. The user will give some input as a string, int, boolean or float. Whatever we give as a input will be stored in the variable named as a name. For example, name is equal to int of input. We had given a input as a Rakesh here, and Rakesh is a value that is stored in the variable called name. After that, we had given print statement as a name. The output will be the Rakesh. String concatenation is a nothing but joining the strings together is called a string concatenation. For example, A is equal to within the double quotes we had written allo place, within the double quotes we had written a space place, within the double quotes we had written a world. That means we are concatenating the three strings here. That means we had written a print statement here, print a, that we can get the output as a hello world. Concatenation errors. String concatenation is possible only within the strings. In this code, we can see s is equal to within double quotes Python. We will see there is a string concatenation between these strings. The desired output will be the triple star Python triple star. This is one of the example of the string concatenation. Coming to length of the string, where len of returns the number of characters in a string. We use len of keyword to count the characteristics. We can see, for example, here the code username is equal to int of input, length is equal to len of username, and the print is equal to length. We had given the input as an Ravi. Ravi will be stored in the username. The length is equal to len of username is equal to Ravi. We can say the length of the output is 4. It starts from the length, it counts from 1. String indexing. We can access an individual character in a string using their positions, which starts from 0. These positions are also called as a index. Index is represented by the square brackets. We can see here, for example, username is equal to within the double quote Rajesh, and the first letter is equal to username. Within the square brackets we have written as a 0. This indicates the first index of the this value. Then we had written the print statement, print first letter. The desired output will be the R, which gives the first character of the string R. Index error. Attempting to use an index that is too large will result in an error. That means if we use out of index, we will get an error. Username is equal to Rajesh, print of username within the square brackets we had written 6. That means index will always starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We had written here as a 6. This is out of range. The output will get an error. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.